no buffers also.
And was it like while playing the video, was it still buffering? How was the quality of the video? It was good. Okay.
This is the first time we connected to 400 students around connect to Wi-Fi in our college.
There's no buffer in my video actually. The internet process is very fast. Yeah, this is good. Previously we didn't have any signal or any Wi-Fi connection in the campus, and now it really benefited with this Wi-Fi coming to us.
This is the first time we got chance to see Wi-Fi in a college by sitting in our classrooms. It helps our knowledge in our future very interestingly, and I am very interested to learn about this project more and more. Hope this project makes very successful ahead. Thank you.
So how did the test went?
Fabulous.